Morning, it's me. I've still got a tash. Welcome along, welcome back to the channel. We've got a live job on that we're going to do in the Rondog. Hope everybody's well. We haven't really got time to talk. Just put the roof down. Oh look, what a day. What a time to be alive. Yeah, so we've got a van, Sleaford to Sleaford. And I thought, come on, get the camera, you're coming with me. So anyway guys, how are we all doing? How are we feeling? How are we all feeling? I've got to do some sat-naving, satellite navigationing. I don't know where, he's in Sleaford, but I've never heard of this road. So we'll find it. Yeah, I hope everybody's okay. I know I've been a little bit quiet on the old YouTube front recently, haven't I? I've had a few messages, so a massive shout out to Sharon, who sent me a message to check I was okay. It is lovely that you all check in on me and make sure I'm okay. I'm doing okay. I'll tell you what isn't okay though. I got a fake review left last night. That's not cool, is it? It's been a while since I've had a fake review. My Google reviews, check it out, have a little look, search into Google, Sleaford Recovery, and you'll see all my hundreds of reviews, or 100 odd. And but yesterday, a guy called Roger Ellis, whom I have never met in my bloody life, never been a customer of Sleaford Recovery, never had any interaction with the guy, and he left me a 2-star review. So thank you very much for that, Roger. I hope that your next poo is a spiky poo. I hope it hurts. Sorry, not sorry, if there's kids watching. That's pretty tame though, isn't it, Magpie? It's pretty tame though. I could have been like, I want him to die a nasty death, and I would never say anything like that. That's obviously completely inappropriate. So a spiky poo is adequate, or stub your toe on a coffee table, pal. That's what you deserve. So anyway, I got a call this morning from a lovely people. He's called Phil, and he said, my van has broken down, can you come and help? And I said, yes Phil, I can. So we are in Ronnie. Frankie is currently off the road because he's got a bit of a brake problem that I haven't been able to sort yet, and the MOT has expired. So because I am a legitimate company, and I appreciate that everyone will go, or loads of people will go, oh, you don't need an MOT because it's a recovery truck. Well, you're stupid, and yes you do. So I am going to get it MOT'd, and I won't drive it on the road until it is MOT'd. That's where we're, that's the sitch. That's the down low at the minute. But yeah, so it's a lovely day in Sleaford, absolutely beautiful weather. We're still alive, and that's all that matters, isn't it? That's all that matters. Stay alive and be happy. And I hope you guys are too. So I'm going to get us up to this road that I'd never heard of, didn't even know where it was, and we'll go and pick this van up. You're coming along for a little ride out. There's 2 vans here, and I don't know which one it is. Alright, it's got to be that one. There he is. I'm going to do a little bit of skillful reversing here, guys. Incredible. Look at me with my fluent French. I'm going to mount the curb. Oh. Sexy stuff. Coming? Right, jump in, mate. Okay, customer's coming with me, so I'm going to turn the camera off. But all straps on, all full straps are on.
Get out and have a look.
That's right. It's this curve. I didn't want the tyre to burst with that woman right next to it. Mounting the curve and then blow someone's head off.
Fucking wake up on it.
I kind of forgot you were here. So I'm so sorry. I'm not used to filming anymore. Look, he's gone. There you go, see? Van is gone. Let's put you on the window. There you go. How's that view? Can you see out the back? Right, that's that job done. That's pretty much all we've got booked in today. So, PTO is off. Winch is off. Right, so, okay, keep getting distracted. Let's go, we'll go this way. He's a nice guy, basically. He's an electrician. He's got a new van coming on Sunday. And the problem he's got is, he spoke about his new van in front of his old van, and his old van went, sod ya. If you want to get a new van, I'm not going to work for you for your last day with me. So, that's what happens, you see. I've told you, haven't I? Vehicles have feelings. Vehicles are people too, they're like animals. I'd like to dedicate this this video to Roger Ellis, who has left us a review. You absolute throat sweet you. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy schedule in your life to leave me a bad review. Potentially you could have a little think about maybe talking to human beings instead of sitting in your house and being all bitter and angry. Just a suggestion. But the main thing is, I've got hundreds of real reviews that are all very nice, and if you have had an experience of Sleaford recovery or Fight and Talk and you thought it was good, then why not leave me a review? That would be much appreciated. Please just make them good ones. Honest, just make them honest, that's all you gotta do. So anyway guys, that's about it for today. It's nearly the weekend. We are smashing ourselves into the weekend. It's Friday now. I'm gonna get us, wind our way through Sleaford, get us back to the unit. I might even have a coffee. I'm gonna have a brew. That's what I'm gonna do. But guys, whatever you're doing this week, do it well, be amazing. Just honestly, think how amazing you can be and do that. I believe in you. I'll tell you now, Ben's rooting for you, all right? So take care guys, I'll see you on the next one, whatever it's gonna be.
Don't look before you leave.
Christ, how did you...
What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye.